cutting shapes combo for you. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Start by jumping out onto your left foot. The weight is going to be on your left like this, and your right foot is going to be extended straight, facing your right diagonal on the heel, but all the weight is on the left. This is 1. For and, you're going to pick up this left leg, and you're going to slap it on your left hand, shifting the weight forward onto your right. So this is 1, this is and. From here, you are going to switch the weight again. You're picking your right knee up, and you are dropping this left leg back. This is 2. You're holding and. So it's very important here. When you land 2, squeeze your glutes, squeeze your core. Here, you're going to put this toe down and cross in front of your left. This is 3. You're bending into your knees here. The weight shifts back to the right leg. You're going to slide your left leg out behind you, keeping the weight on the right. 4. Pull back in 5. 5. Okay, so this is 3, 4, 5. Here, you're going to face back to the front. You're going to open 6. Here, we're going to have 1 crisscross with your right foot in front. And you're going to, it's actually technically a Charleston. So you're going to cross in front 7. You're going to pick up your left leg into a Charleston, pardon me. And from here, you're going to hit 1 left cowtail, 8, and. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and.
All my ladies,